some ice cubes out of this watermelon. So here we are with another interesting and fun video today. Let's see what is going to happen in this video. First, we are going to cut the watermelon and then de-seed this. Take a help of an adult near you for cutting. Now let us transfer the juice to a ice tray. Now our ice tray is ready. I have an idea. I can insert some toothpicks to eat it like a popsicle. Refrigerate the ice cubes until they become solid. The watermelon ice cubes are ready and I am going to make a refreshing drink out of this. First, let us squeeze some lime. Now I am going to add some sugar, salt and pepper. You can add sugar and salt as per the taste. Now for the pepper. Okay, now I am going to add some mint leaves and a lemon inside. Now I'll add some water. Now let me mix everything well. It looks so delicious. Now let me add some watermelon ice cubes. Now let me decorate it with some strawberry syrup. It's so delicious and yummy. I think I'll finish it now itself. If you like this video, subscribe, share, comment and like. And don't forget to try this recipe at home and share the comments with me in the comment section. Bye!